In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Telegram application. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on the top left and selecting on these three bars right over here. Then we're going to go ahead and select over here where it says settings. And essentially, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says Telegram FAQ. So go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to give you a list of all of the different things that you could do with Telegram. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the option that says your account. Then underneath here, it will say delete Telegram account. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that link right over there. All right. And you basically just want to go ahead and find this section where it says Q. How do I delete my account? There you go. That is the section you want to go on. Then you want to go ahead and select on the deactivation page. And then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And from here, go ahead and enter in your phone number. But make sure to go ahead and enter your phone number in international format. So because I'm in America, I'm going to go ahead and use number 1. But obviously, if you're in a different country, you want to go ahead and put your respective number. All right, and once you went ahead and submitted it, it is now going to send you a code. So let's go ahead and just enter it in really quickly. All right, once you went ahead and put in the code, go ahead and press on sign in. And then it is going to give you a page that looks like this, and it will basically ask you for confirmation, and it will give you a text box where you can go ahead and explain why you're leaving Telegram. And from there, all you need to do is press on delete my account. And just like that, you're able to go ahead and delete your Telegram account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.